Good morning, Team U. A lot of questions about Facebook these days. As you watch this video on our Team U Facebook page, I thought I'd give some tips and tricks on how to optimize your Facebook experience. So here we are on the home tab of my Facebook page. I'm clicking on shortcuts for Team U and I'm going to the Team U page. You can just the same head up to the top and you can type in Team U and you can get to the two pages. Actually, you'll see our Team U Espanol, and eventually you're going to see our Team U Russian as well. For now, we have two main Team U pages. We have our closed group and we have our public page. And I'm going to show you a couple ways that you can optimize viewing for both of those and manage your timeline. So first things first, I'm going into our Team U private group. First thing I'm going to do is look up here, and of course I'm on the desktop version. You can do this from your phone as well. It's a little bit different, but nonetheless, all of these settings are there. Once you're a member of the group, I'm clicking on notifications. It is defaulted to highlights, which means you're only going to see the algorithm's choice of what you want to see. I want to see every post that comes up into this group, so I'm going to click on all posts. And there's some more settings here that you can go through, and I welcome you to go through them. But first and foremost, make sure you set this for all posts. And this way, all of the posts from Team U will be seen in your timeline back on your home screen. So then I'm clicking back on the home button, and as you can see, I see Team U posts. Here's Team U, and I've prioritized it so that I see it at the top. These are some sponsored ads beforehand, and of course, people that are currently going live. The next thing I want to show you is how you can prioritize what we do on public Team U. So for public Team U, it's a fan page. It operates a little bit different. You want to make sure that you like it. You want to make sure that you're following it. And then when you hover over follow, you can see first, and you can turn on notifications to highlight posts. So again, I want to see all notifications and I want to see public Team U first at the top and the priority of my timeline. So clicking on those two becomes really important. And then again, going through some of these different settings for the page and understanding that becomes really important. Now, when I click on the home button, this is my timeline. You can prioritize your timeline. You can tell Facebook what you want to see more of or what you want to see less of. Now, of course, there's a comment here on a Team U post, so I'll go through and I'll make sure I love that and add my welcome to Team U post after that. You usually have some sponsored ads, which are going to be specifically to you. And then, of course, we start to get into the posts from my family and friends. By clicking these three little dots, I can unfollow Philip if I wanted to. I can hide this post, which will teach the algorithm to show me fewer posts like this. And of course, I love Marlene and I love their beautiful daughter, so I'm going to keep this up. But as we go through Michael Zappia, well, I like to see what Michael does first. So I actually turned on notifications for Michael Zappia, and I actually turned it on so that Michael would come up first in my feed. Griffin, all right, I love Griffin. If I didn't want to see Griffin, I could hide this post and I could snooze him for 30 days. So managing your timeline is of the utmost importance. So some food for thought as you're cleaning, cleansing, and going through what you've got here. Make sure you're taking some time and attention to go through the notifications on your Facebook page and to go through the notifications on your live feed. I hope this helps. Take these as quickly as possible. Share them with your team. We're going to pin this video to the top of Team U. Thank you. I appreciate you, and have a great day.